Hey everyone, it's Roy from RK Treasure Center. I'm out here enjoying this beautiful sunshine because we're fixing to have a cold front, they say, within the next couple of hours and drop about 30 degrees, which a lot of you probably already experienced. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what I stopped and picked up at garage sale and estate sale yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got it stored in my little garage. I don't even have it in the eBay room right now, but I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. Alright, so this whole big pile right here is everything that I picked up. Some odds and ends. This is a whole Wii system down inside there. It's got all the little, I don't know, it's all through inside there. It's in the bottom. There's Scrabble Travel. I got purses. I've got some Juicy Couture. I picked up some Coach. A whole bag, bag of purses. I'll skip those for a second. Down here, some Tommy Hilfigers, a whole bag of Vera Bradley, another whole bag of Vera Bradley, some odds and ends, some t-shirts, more little odds and ends. Down underneath here, and you can't hardly see it, but is a Cricut crafting system. There's some good coats and jackets in here. I bought a whole set of Avon 1970s red ruby glassware. I mean, it's like a whole complete set. Between these two tubs, there's probably, I don't know, 150 pieces, maybe 200 pieces. I mean, it's just a complete set and a bunch of other extras. In here there's a whole bunch of stuff. Down here there's a whole nother tub. I mean, I just went kind of crazy. I don't know. Between the garage sale, estate sale, and I stopped at a thrift store, and in the eBay room I got a couple more bags and boxes and stuff I took in there, and I haven't even been able to get to it yet. I've created this big massive pile, so I don't know what I was thinking. I needed to get stuff listed, not get a whole bunch of more stuff anyway. I think what I'll do is I'll probably do kind of like a little unboxing videos or clips during my next couple of videos, so that way you can see what all that I picked up, and I can show you all that glassware and stuff out of there. So anyway, let me tell you about some of the other items I got. Alright, so we're heading to the eBay room, and I'll show you over here my messy desk. I got to get all this cleaned up and organized. I'm just going out of control. But over here I've already unpackaged one little bag of stuff. This is I got from the estate sale. I don't know what I was thinking. I picked up more stuff. I don't need it. My shelves are getting full. You know, anyway, I got to organize. But anyway, they're gonna make some good money. So these right here are not expensive. They're not marked. They're not stamped. There's some little cardinal ornaments, Christmas ornaments. And of course, Christmas time is coming up, so I thought I'd pick them up, and I think I paid $1 for them. I picked this up right here. It's Norcrest. It's a real pretty swan. I looked online, and this Norcrest sells for about $20. There's several of them that's been sold. That's about $20 with the shipping included. So I'm hoping that one makes some good money. It's got no chips or breaks, so that'll do good. I picked up this hand-painted Odigary coffee mug. I got it for $1. It says hand painted. There's even a old True Value sticker of $4.99. I have to get that off of there. But if you can see the label, it says handcrafted Odigary, Japan. It's real printed. I don't even think it's ever been used. Probably was used as shelf decor or something. That was really nice. This I picked up. I liked it. It's a little, I don't know, trinket holder or something. Candy dish, but it's got a bird and on a basket. And it's made in Czechoslovakia. And what I liked about it is it says from Bobby Girl in the year of 1944 in Ranger, Texas. And I just thought that was real pretty, so I'm gonna look that up and see what it's worth. I saw something, I did look up comps on something similar that had birds like this on objects, and it sold for about $15 with the shipping. So I don't know, we'll see. I paid $1 for it. And these I picked up, they're a couple of cowboy bookends, and they're you can't hardly see it, but it's Frank Noma is the designer. Frank Noma, number 133. Frank Noma did a lot of pottery work, a long time, vintage. It goes back a long time. I looked up comps. I paid $15 for these, and which is a little high, but it was the first day of the estate sale. And I didn't want to miss out on them because, like I said, they were $15. And comps on those on eBay have them going for $40 to $50 plus the shipping. So I thought that was a good buy. Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna have a, and I'm sorry the video's a little shaky. I'm holding the camera different than normal, but I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Probably not a complete unboxing video, but over my next couple of videos I'll unbox some of those items that I picked up and display them out and tell you what I got, what I picked up and what I paid for them. Like I said, I paid, oh, there's a whole lot more. Down here there's, you know, more bags and more bags of stuff. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff. That was just a bigger pile of it and stuff sitting over there in the little garage area. But like I said, overall, between the garage sale, thrift store, and the estate sale, I picked up, spent over $350. And like I said, I don't need to be doing that. I don't have much shelf space in here. You know, it goes all the way around. But anyway, I don't have much shelf space, but I need to really organize. I may do that over the snake. I probably won't go to any garage sales this weekend, although I might go to the estate sale on Saturday. I haven't decided. That's gonna be their discount day, so I might run over there real quick. I got some things going on. I don't know if I have time, but I need to get this place organized and set up. I've got just all that stuff I got to get listed. I got to get it posted up. I've got just tons of stuff. And I know me, I'll still go look for things. But anyway, so I thought I would share just real quickly what I found, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, so I realized there was one more thing I didn't show you because I scanned around. I guess I was actually trying to avoid it, but I've got a pile of things that I'm picking up, and I picked up a bunch of clothing. Again, that's one of those, I wasn't gonna do more clothing. It sells, but I wasn't gonna do more clothing. But then I picked up a few other items too. All right, here we go. There's my pile. That's tubs of different things that I still got to list, but also there's 2 big bags of clothing. It was like flannels and jackets and stuff that were brand new with the tags, and I haven't got to them. I really didn't want to show you that area over there, but anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and to remember, there's plenty of treasures out there in the world, so find it, sell it, and profit. Thanks everyone, have a great day.